Sandalwood powder and lemon. Making sandalwood and lemon soap is very interesting. You will love its wonderful smells while washing your face on a daily basis, and it will keep your skin moisturized and smooth. It is also beneficial for older people. There are several methods to make soap. This content will explain how to make sandalwood and lemon soap, and you can add glycerin as well. Actually, you require such as ingredients and some tools to make soap easily at the convenience of your home. Items such as grater, stainless steel double boiler, molds, spoons for measure, stirring spoon, scales, knife for slicing bars, plastic molds. These items play a major role in making your own soap at home. You can purchase these from dollar stores or crockery stores, or you can purchase online such as Amazon and Etsy, etc. Your soap will be beautifully made and you can consume on a daily basis to moisturize your skin. These ingredients are added in making a soap at home. 254-gram glycerin clear soap base, 1½ teaspoon coconut oil, 4 tablespoons of lemon water, 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon of rosewater, ½ teaspoon of jasmine oil. Recipe of sandalwood and lemon recipe. Mix all ingredients so well elements should be turned on to a high level. Pour water in the bottom of a double boiler and turn on the element to heat until boiling. When the water is heating, pour pieces of soap or grated solid block. Please keep in mind that you can get soap base in tiny pieces or a solid block. If you prefer to use solid block, then it is much more convenient to melt if you first grate the soap base. Turn the element down to let the water to simmer. Measured soap base should be added to the upper half of the double boiler and melt over this gentle heat, and keep stirring continuously. Remove from the heat and keep aside to cool down for 2 to 3 minutes. After melting, scum will appear and you can remove it from the surface and throw it. Add the coconut oil, the lemon and sandalwood powder, rose water, jasmine oil as well, and keep stirring in the base of melted soap. The soap will be made in 2 hours. You can take out a soap from the mold. Remember to cut the soap into same shapes and size with knife. Your soaps are beautifully made with the fragrance of rose and jasmine. Also, it is beautifully moisturized, which is so beneficial for your skin. You can give your homemade soaps to your relatives and friends on special occasions, etc. Lemon has vitamin C and it is essential for skin, and sandalwood and lemon remove all dirt from skin and whiten the skin texture if this soap is applied on a daily basis. Check your skin type and you can use it. Sandalwood has cooling effect. Lemon and sandalwood removes pimples and make clear your skin beautifully. People use masks of sandalwood and lemon with milk to whiten the skin texture. Sandalwood may remove rashes from skin as well. Sandalwood has cooling effect for allergic skin such as hives.